Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you E350. It's a W212. I'm going to change the cabin air filter. And let's get started. So we're going to open the passenger door. The cabin air filter is located right up here. So we're going to remove these screws. One up here, 2 and 3. To use T25 torque screwdriver. So once we remove these 3 screws, now we're going to pull it down. So we're going to unplug the light. Unplug the light, that way you have a mode room. You don't have to do it. Only reason I'm doing it so I can show you. So as you see, this is the filter is located. So this is the filter. Basically, this is the way it's going to work. We're going to slide in, we're going to pull it out. So you're going to slide this clip on the left. You pull it out. As you see, the filter will slide out. Really dirty filter. And this is the new filter. We're going to put it in. And once we're going to put the new filter, we're going to breathe better. So this is the arrow, making sure that you put it this way. So you slide it back in. And once it goes all the way in, it's firmly pushed back. Then you slide the lock. So as you see, now it's locked in and it's firmly in place. If you notice that this is the plug right here, when we pulled it, the wire came out. So make sure that you put it in. We're going to slide it back. We're going to plug in the light. So once it's plugged in, and now we're going to push it back and make sure it's securely seated. And now we're going to put these 3 screws back. So these are the instructions, will come in handy. As I've shown you, it's very easy. You just slide it out and then you pull it. And when you put it back in, you push it all the way in filter. Then you slide it, it will lock in. Sensor cable came out from here. Please make sure that you put it back. That's how it's easy. You replace your cabin air filter. If you like this video, like always, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.